Hey everybody, welcome to this week's of our Market Mondays, where I am going to go over 5 different counties with you. We're going to share my 3 insightful thoughts of what the numbers are showing, and then I'm going to share probably the highest sold homes so far this year. So let's jump into it. So this is Market Mondays. We're going to go over the data compared to last year, January month to date, and we're going to look over the data through today. So today being January 9th. So let's go ahead and get to the next slide. So starting off, we're going to look at Orange County. So in Orange County, when you compare month to date in January compared to 2022, we'll start off with active. So obviously there's no actives from 2022, but 2,765 active homes as of today in the market. 310 have went pending so far this year, and we've sold 180 homes this year. Now, the 180 homes is a far cry from the 1,580 that we sold last year, but we are only 9 days in. So it's still early, and we're getting through the holiday hangover is what I'll call it. Median sales price. So in 2022 in January, it was $355,000. So we did jump up $25,000 to $380,700 thus far. Median rent's also slightly higher, $105 extra a month for you investors out there. So that's good. But now a big thing to point out is days on market. This has jumped up to 38 days compared to 11 last year. That's a huge jump. It's almost triple of what it is. But that's what we've been seeing the last 6-7 months of 2022. So not really a shocker on that one at all. So all right, next county we're going to look at is Seminole County. So 857 actives as of today, 117 pending so far. 59 sold in Seminole County, 515 sold in January of last year. So far cry from that. But again, keep in mind, sold data and sold homes only happened on business days. This is the 5th business day of the year, so nothing to be concerned of. Median sales price, $347,500 last year, $340,000 this year. Again, we're just starting out the year. It's been said all last year that numbers are expected to come down to 1 to 2% nominal growth, not the 15 to 20% year over year that we were seeing. So this isn't anything to be a shocker for. Median rent is up about $138. And then days on market, also the same thing we've been seeing with Orange County, 3 times that of what it was last year. So it's going up, up, and up. Now let's take a look at Lake County. 1,547 active homes, 164 pending thus far. Sold, 77 sold homes, 630 were sold last year. Median sales price, again, just like Seminole County, came down almost $10,000, but nothing to sound the alarms on. Median rent, though, inched up about $31 a month. And then days on market here actually jumped about 5 days. So, or 5 times that of last year, up to 52 days to get a contract. Now, taking a look at Volusia County, 1,478 actives, 127 pending, and then we sold 54 homes compared to currently 522 for all of January last year. Median sales price, $300,250 so far this month. That is just over $5,000 greater than last month. So it is a little bit of an increase, about 1 to 2%. Remember what I said earlier, lots of speculation was we're going to go down to 1 to 2, possibly 3% year over year growth. So, and that's what we're starting to see. Now, here's the one that's interesting. Rental income up $300 per month. So from last year. So that's making a significant jump for you investors in Volusia County. And the days on market jumped from 13 to 49 days. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Osceola County. 2,362 homes are active. Pending is 122 homes, and then sold we have 65. Median sales price though jumped up $35,000 from $350 to $385, and the median rental price also jumped up $200. So Osceola was a little bit slower in 2020 and 2021. 2022 is really starting to take off, and it looks like it's going to continue some of that in 2023. Days on market, 11 days, jumping up to 49 though, so we are seeing that across the board. Now, my little bit of analysis, my 3 things that I've observed from looking at these numbers today. The current trend in numbers is stemming from the holiday season economic news. So the economic news has been relatively negative, but it's starting to gain a little bit of positivity. Plus the holidays, we as realtors have experienced a little bit of a slowdown. Now, when things hit our market, it doesn't happen instantaneously. It's always going to be a lagging indicator. So slow period, November, December, we start seeing those numbers hit in January. And that doesn't mean that January is horrible. It just means that those are the numbers coming through. The bigger trend is going to be seeing what happens later in January, moving into February and March. So just keep that in mind. Nothing to be concerned with yet. As January continues, we should also see figures change slightly. Going back to what I was just kind of saying, we're going to see the uptick of numbers. People are going to start coming through. I know for a fact in the last couple of weeks, my phone's been blown off the hook because of that. And then here's the big thing. This is a great opportunity for buyers. I know you always hear the doom and gloom about the interest rates rising, things like that. Well, even with the interest rates rising, you're now in a position to negotiate down on purchase price. That's a plus. So more options, more ability to negotiate so that you're not forced to do something you don't want just so that you have a home. Now let's look and see about the highest home sold so far in January of 2023. So it's located in Winter Garden, 34787 zip code. The home was 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 2 half baths, 5,551 square feet of beautiful home, built in 2019. So it's just over 3 years old. Lakefront property with a dock. Gorgeous, gorgeous pool. And that one sold for $2.1 million. So we'll see what the highest sold home is next year. Maybe it'll be the same, and this will be the champion for the month of January. We will see. Now, like always, if you want to connect with me, here's a QR code for you. Check it out. It gives you information on me. I'd love to talk. If you have any questions, let's meet up. I'm here to help you. Let's make your goals in 2023 a priority, and I will talk to you all later.